Exercise 8.1, question number 12. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Okay. And AD equals to BC. So what is given? That these two lines are parallel. Therefore, it is a trapezium and AD and BC are equal. Okay. We have to show that angle A equals to angle B, angle C equals to angle D. ABC is congruent to BAD and diagonal AC and BD are equal. Okay. So given AB is parallel to CD and AD equals to BC. This is given. Okay. To prove, okay. So to prove, you will write from first to four parts. All four parts you can write down into proof. Okay. Proof. Okay. So here construction is there. Actually जो original figure है वो सिर्फ ट्रपीजियम ही दिया है, मतलब सिर्फ इतना ही दिया है. This much is only given. Okay. After that we have constructed it. Okay. So you can write construction also. Construction, extend AB, and this you can write in construction. Draw a line through C parallel to DA intersecting AB at E. Okay. So this is construction. Okay. तो बेसिकली क्या किया है कि AB को एक्सटेंड किया है और C से एक लाइन बनाई है जो AD के पैरेलल है. ओके. अब अगर C से एक लाइन बनाई है जो AD के पैरेलल है मींस C इज पैरेलल टू AD एंड AD.
मैम वो तो बी से भी बनाई है.
हाँ, B से एक्सटेंड की है, AB को एक्सटेंड किया है तो AB और CD पैरेलल है, C और AD पैरेलल है. तो therefore we can say that AEDC is a parallelogram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here AE is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to CE. So ADCE is a parallelogram. Okay. Now, if ADC is a parallelogram, AD is equal to CE. Okay. And AD equals to BC is already given. ये given है, AD BC के equal है, ये parallelogram है तो AD और CE equal है. मतलब क्या? Therefore, BC and CE are equal. Okay. If BC and CE are equal, that means this both angles are equal. Okay. So angle CEB equals to angle CBE. Okay. Now CEB. Okay. This we can leave here only. 1 minute. AD equals to CE.
मैम में कंस्ट्रक्शन AB के बाद क्या लिखना है?
कहाँ पे? कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्सटेंड AB, ये लिखना है, ये पूरा, ये जो हिंट दिया है ना ये. ठीक है. और इक्वेशन 1 नेम कर देंगे. अब इसके बाद का इसी स्लाइड पे हो जाए इसलिए आई एम डूइंग हियर. ओके. नाउ एंगल A प्लस एंगल D इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री because these are co-interior angles. AB is parallel to CD, so sum of this angle and this angle is 180 degree. Okay. And angle A plus angle E is also 180 degree. Okay. Because angle D and angle E are equal, तो angle D की जगह angle E लिख सकते हैं. Okay. तो angle A, angle E can be written as angle CEB equals to 180 degree. अब CEB किसके इक्वल है? CEB इक्वल है CBE के. तो एंगल A प्लस एंगल CBE equals to 180 degree. Okay. Angle A can be written as 180 minus angle CBE. 180 minus CBE. अब देखो CBE ये वाला एंगल, 180 ये एंगल, 180 में से ये माइनस कर देंगे तो ये एंगल कौन सा हो गया? एंगल B. ओके. ये हो गया एंगल CBA दैट इज इक्वल टू एंगल B. तो एंगल A इक्वल्स टू एंगल B. दिस इज प्रूव्ड. ओके. कॉपी दिस. This is CBA. Okay. Okay. So we have proved angle A equals to angle B. This we have proved. Okay. Now here you can see angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is 180 degree because co-interior angles है. दो lines अगर parallel है तो interior angles on same side of the transversal are called co-interior angles and their sum is 180 degree. Okay. So angle A is angle A plus angle D is 180. So angle A can be written as 180 minus angle D. And angle B plus angle C is 180. So angle B can be written as 180 minus angle C. 180, 180 cancel. This and this cancel. So angle C equals to angle D. Second part we can prove this way. Okay. Next, we have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to BAD. Okay, so for this we have to join the diagonals, join AC, join BD. Okay, now in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Okay, this and this. Okay, so AD equals to BC. It is given in the question. Okay, and angle A equals to angle B and AB equals to BA, common. Okay, so therefore triangle D or ABC we can write ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS congruence rule. Okay, this is common, SAS congruence rule. Okay, and by CPCT, AC equals to BD by CPCT. They are also equal. So this is proved, this is proved, this is proved, and this is proved. All the four parts are proved. Okay, so hence proved.